Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford Bronco garage door opener. First, make sure your Bronco is parked in a safe location and the ignition is off. You will need your original garage door opener remote. Find the 3 home link buttons, usually located on your Bronco's overhead console. Having these items ready will make the programming process smooth and efficient for you. Before programming, it's a good idea to clear any existing codes from your home link system. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons at the same time. Continue holding them until the indicator light above the buttons starts to flash rapidly. This usually takes about 20 seconds. Releasing the buttons after the rapid flash confirms that all previous programming has been erased. Now, let's program your new remote. Hold your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the desired home link button you wish to program and the button on your original garage door remote. Keep holding both buttons until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash, then release them. This indicates successful programming. If your garage door doesn't open after the previous step, you likely have a rolling code system. Go to your garage door opener motor unit and press its Learn or Smart button. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your Bronco. Once back inside, firmly press and hold the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release sequence up to 3 times until the garage door activates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.